Your AI agent is a genius. It writes code, it plans your week, it drafts the perfect email, but ask it to actually send that email and nothing. It's brilliant and completely blind. It can't touch a single one of your tools. Here's why and the protocol that's fixing it. Welcome back to Cybercreed. Today, MCP versus the API. Why the thing that's connected software for 30 years is quietly failing AI agents and what's replacing it. For decades, software talked to software through APIs, a clean, predictable handshake. Your weather app calls one endpoint, gets back a neat little package of data, program to program. It just works. But an API is rigid, fixed endpoints, one structured call at a time, and it assumes a human developer read the docs and wired it up by hand. An AI agent doesn't work like that. It has to discover what tools even exist, chain them together, and reason about messy, unstructured results on the fly. APIs were never built for that. And it gets worse, every agent has to be custom wired to every tool. Anthropic said it plainly, every new data source needs its own custom implementation. 5 agents, 10 tools, that's 50 brittle connections. This is the M by N problem. And it does not scale. So in November 2024, Anthropic released an open standard to kill it, the Model Context Protocol. Think of it as a USB-C port for AI. Instead of 50 custom cables, every agent speaks MCP and every tool exposes MCP. M by N collapses into M plus N. Here's the shape. Your AI app is the client. Each tool or data source runs an MCP server, and every server offers 3 things: tools it can run, resources it can read, and prompts it can reuse. And this is the magic. Nothing is hard-coded. The agent just asks the server, what can you do? The server hands back every tool with a description and a schema. The model reads it and figures out the rest. No glue code, no per tool prompt engineering. So one agent can reach Gmail, Notion, Jira, GitHub, each through its own MCP server with zero custom integration. Need a new tool, spin up its server. The agent discovers it instantly. And MCP doesn't replace your APIs, it sits on top of them. An MCP server is just a smart wrapper. It takes your existing API and describes it in a language the model actually understands. The new middleware for AI. If this is finally making MCP click, hit subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel. Now, how did this thing take over in barely a year? The first version was rough, mostly local, no real login, awkward to run over a network. So in 18 months, MCP grew up fast. Early 2025 brought a cleaner remote connection and its first login system. By mid-year, it could return structured data and even pause to ask you a question. 1 year in, it shipped its biggest upgrade yet. But the real unlock was login. Early on, a remote MCP server was an open door. Anyone with the link could use your tools. Nobody could safely connect it to a real account. So MCP adopted OAuth, the standard behind sign-in with Google. Now you connect a tool in one click, the agent gets a scoped, revocable key, and your password is never shared. That's what took it from demos to production. And the floodgate opened. Slack, Notion, GitHub, Apify, the tools you actually use, now ship official MCP servers you connect in one click. OpenAI and Google adopted the standard too. Today there are thousands of MCP servers out there. In barely a year, MCP became the default way agents get things done. But here's the part the hype skips. MCP hands an AI the keys to your tools, and that's a security minefield. A malicious server can hide instructions inside a tool's description. Prompt injection straight into your agent. A server can behave during setup, then turn on you later. And most MCP servers you'll install were written by strangers. So treat it like any untrusted code. Least privilege, vet your servers, and keep a human in the loop for anything destructive. Assume breach. Because that's the real shift. For 30 years, APIs connected software to software. MCP connects software to intelligence. The agent was never the problem. It just needed a way to reach the world. If this made MCP finally click, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.